Hello, my dear students. As I have discussed about the prominent determinants or the factors for physical similarities and dissimilarities in the previous video. Now, today I'll discuss about the role of environment. Children, not only our inherited traits but also our environment plays a dominant role in shaping and molding our characteristics. For instance, two children growing in two different environments will develop different personalities. The environment that we are brought up in leaves an imprint on us for the rest of our lives. For example, if a child has been brought up in stressful and competitive environment, he or she may tend to shout and fight more than a child who has been raised in a calm, disciplined and pleasant environment. If one has been taught the tradition of respecting elders, he or she will grow into a better and respectful individual. Each individual has a different pattern of behavior and personality. This difference is due to influence of heredity and environment. Truly speaking, children, heredity and environment plays an important role in the development of the personality and other qualities in the individual. No person can be born without heredity and genes cannot develop without proper environment, and individual's heredity is present since the moment of conception, and some environmental condition also start influencing him from this very stage. Each trait and response of an individual depends on his heredity and environment. So, therefore, in order to know about the individual, it is necessary to understand his heredity and environment. A child's early home environment has long-term effects on development. The home environment can affect a child's brain development. So, our environment plays a pivotal role in how we grow up or who we become in our lives. Even as adults, our behavior may change drastically as an effect of the environment. So, children, I have one question for you. Will two brothers who have been raised in different environments have the same behavior? You have to give reason for your answer. Now, children, we will have the recap of this lesson. Now, first topic that was resemblance. Resemblance means similarity. It could be the similarity between a child and a parent or a relative. We usually resemble our parents not in our looks but also in our habits, traits, and characteristics. Twins are often identical, but sometimes they have differences too. The physical similarities and dissimilarities between two people are observed in several factors such as height, weight, body structure, hair, eyes, noses, and other features. Our habits and behaviors are greatly influenced by our environments. Our inherent traits and features have their origin in our parents, but the way we nurture, cultivate, shape, and mold ourselves as an individual is often a result of our environment. Now, children, there is one more question, that is mind map. You have to make a mind map to show in which we get our traits. List two ways in which we get our traits. You have to draw a mind map for that. Now I am going to discuss some important definitions of this lesson, and the first one is trait. A quality that forms a part of your character or the character's habit or features present in an individual is called trait. Second one is inheritance. The process of genetic transmission of traits from parents to the children is known as inheritance. Now next is resemblance. We genetically tend to inherit characteristics of our parents. This is known as resemblance, or the similarities present in an individual is known as resemblance. Now next is relatives. People related to each other by blood are known as relatives. For example, grandparents, uncle, brother, etc. Last one is twins. Children born to the same mother having identical features and separated by few minutes apart. Now, these were the important definition of this lesson which you have to learn. And now there is one more question for you to do. Like, you have to write about the role of environment in your own words. Okay. Now next topic will be shown in the next video. Okay, thank you.